So now let's gonna see this small presentation. I try to collect the common errors when you code selection. Also, I use the book to collect that. So if you already read the book, you are gonna understand much better these cases. Okay, so let me show you the first case. Okay, the following program ran well as we expected, right? Okay, let's gonna track the program. Okay, track the program. The pointer here. Okay, so this is the main method. Okay, so what happened here? N number equals 0. Okay, then greater than 6. True or false? True, right? Okay, so what happened? Remember the curly braces? So if the statement here, if the expression here is true, we're gonna get inside the if. And inside the if, we have a block. So we're gonna execute all the lines, all the code inside this block, inside the curly braces. Okay? So what happened? System out print line. Hola. Hola means hi, just in case. So you're learning Java and learning Spanish as well. Okay? So next line, system out print line. I am in the if statement. Okay, what's next? You assign 100 to the variable n number. Correct? So three statement. Three statement have to be executed when 10 is greater than 6. Perfect. So this is true, right? So always we're going to skip the else, right? See the curly braces here? Okay. So we're going to skip the else and we're going to execute that. So the output is going to be, so after executing the if statement, we skip the else, we're going to display the final value of n number is, what is the value of n number? 50 or 100? We never get inside the else, right? So we assign at the beginning n number was 0, but then we assign 100 to n number. So we're going to display here 100, right? Hola. And in the if statement, the final value of n number is 100. Okay, this is that we know, right? Okay, let's gonna see the next example. Wherever we have the curly braces in the else section here, curly braces, okay, we will have logical errors. Your program will compile, but we will get a wrong output. Okay, what happened here? Okay, so the only thing that we don't see here is the curly braces, right? We don't see the curly braces here, right? Okay, so what happened? It's gonna track the program. A number, we assign 0 to a number. 10 is greater than 6, true. So if this is true, you're gonna execute whatever you have inside the curly braces, right? The block, right? So again, you display hola and in the if statement, and you assign 100 to a number, right? Okay, and then you're gonna skip the else, right? So it's gonna skip the else. But question, do you see the curly braces here? No, right? So what is gonna happen? The only statement associated with the else is just this one. System.out print line by. The other statements are outside the else. So remember, if you don't use curly braces, okay, you execute the statement associated with the if or else. So just this statement is gonna be executed. Okay, and then the other lines, okay, even that you have the proper indentation, okay, even that you have the proper indentation, they're not going to be executed because the indentation, the white spaces, tabs, spaces are for us, right, to make our program readable, okay? But for Java, it's just skip this statement and then continue executing the line. So you're going to print I in the else statement, you're going to assign 50 to a number, and you're going to display the final value of a number is, what is the value of a number? 50. So this is it. Okay? You have hola, I in the if statement, correct? And then what happened? You skip by, right? So this is true. You print hola, you print I in the if statement, I in the if statement, you assign 100 to a number, then else, since this is true, you're going to skip the else, so you're going to skip only this line because you don't have the curly braces that create like a block, right? So if you don't have the curly braces, the only statement associated with the else, the only statement that belongs to the else is this one. And then you're going to skip that and you're going to continue with your program. So what is the next statement? This one. I in the else statement, correct? I in this statement, and then you assign 50 to a number. So when you print final value of a number is, you're going to print 50. Okay, so watch out with the curly braces. I like to test questions like this on the quiz and in the midterm, final as well. Okay? Okay, now another case is we do not include the curly braces in the if section. Okay, now here you will get a syntax error and your program will not compile. So lucky us, we are using NetBeans, right? We are not using notepads, right? So if you're using NetBeans, NetBeans is gonna warning you that you need to include the curly braces here because you have more than one statement associated with the if. So I'm gonna tell you, just in case, uh, you have to include curly braces, right? Okay, this is easy because syntax error are easy to detect, right? You know that. And then what happened? What happened if we add a semicolon, statement terminator, next to the else? Okay, look at this here. What do you see is going to happen? Okay, what's happening if you use the curly? So what's mean the semicolon? Statement terminator, right? Correct? Okay, let's gonna track what happened here. The same thing. 10 is greater than 6, true, right? So we're gonna execute the tree statement here, right? Correct, hola, I in the if statement, and you're gonna assign 100 to a number. Then what happened? We're gonna skip the else, right? Okay, and you have curly braces, right? Okay, so you're gonna skip the whole block. We're gonna skip the whole block. What's mean the statement terminator here? What's mean that? It means that there is nothing associated with else. Let me try to rewrite that. So let me see that pointer option 10. This one is like have the else like this. Else. Okay. Else. And then semicolon. So nothing is associated with the else. Nothing. So you have me, for example, 1, 0, 10, greater than 6, correct? You have the curly braces here. You close the curly braces here. And you have a statement here, right? Then else, you have curly braces here. So it means that there is nothing here, right? Else, and there is not instruction next to the else. You finish the else. And then what happened? You have like a block here. With 1, 2, 3 lines. Okay. So if 10 is greater than 6, you have 3 lines here, right? And then curly braces. Perfect. Else, there is nothing here. Statement terminator. So there is nothing associated with the else. Correct? And then after the else, you have a block. Yes, a block. Okay? A block with 3 statements there. Correct? And then you have here the system, right? Here. So what happened here? 10 greater than 6, true. Execute the true statement. Then else. Since this is true, we're going to skip the else, right? But there is nothing associated with the else. So nothing to do, and then continue with the program. You have to continue executing this program by adding the else statement and assign 60 to the variable in number. Hola, adding the if statement, then by I in the else statement, and then the final value of the number is 50. Okay, okay, so practice code that in things. Okay, so I hope video helped you. Okay, thank you.